Hi, I'm Jeff Davenport. I'm a content developer, an executive speaker coach, and the creator of the Story Fundamentals workshop at Duarte Academy. Well, what's your goal when you communicate? Is it to engage your audience, maybe even to entertain them? Those are all fine reasons, but at Duarte, we think the most important reason to communicate to an individual or a group of people is to persuade them. Storytelling is a powerful means of persuasion. So how do you persuade an audience? Well, you can use facts, data, you can even use commands if you want. Those are all well and good, but really if you want to persuade an audience in a way that truly moves them from point A to point B, nothing beats storytelling. You can use a powerfully structured story in all sorts of media. You can use it in a formal presentation. You can use it in a one-on-one meeting with a customer or your boss. You can even use it in an email. That said, telling a story well in a business setting can be intimidating. That's why we created the Story Fundamentals workshop. In this class, you'll be going through a fictional case study to learn the principles of story structure and the key elements of a story so that you can apply it to your own story that you'll be sharing in your professional setting. In this half-day workshop, you'll receive instruction from our expert facilitators. You'll work in small groups in breakout rooms on the case studies. You'll also have a workbook that you can use during the class to capture your learnings and to refer to after the class is over. Attendees come to the Story Fundamentals class with a vague idea that story is important, but they leave the class with the skills necessary to structure stories well and to tell them in a way that moves audiences. We hope you'll join us for this fun, creative, and insightful virtual workshop and become the storyteller you were meant to be.